In this video, let me guide you through how to fix TikTok page not available on PC. First, let's open your internet browser. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Scroll down to select Settings. On the left, choose Privacy and Security. Then click on Delete Browsing Data. Ensure that the cookies and other site data are checked. Then click Delete Data. Once done, check TikTok to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, open the Start menu, search for CMD, right click on the command prompt, and run it as an administrator. In the command prompt, type this and press enter, and also this, then press enter. Close the window, go back to the Start menu, search for Network Reset and select it. Click Reset Now and confirm by pressing Yes. Restart your computer and try TikTok again. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.